So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to duplicate text here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, we're going to go ahead here and just add some text and type in the word duplicate just like that. So for example, if you wanted to maybe make a bunch of changes, so let's say for example you wanted to, highlight it, you wanted to add some effects and add some shadow to it, or make it stroke or whatever. Maybe you want to make it go like this. Whatever the case may be, that's your wonderful design. Now, if you want to just copy and paste it, it's very simple. I want you to go to the text right here. I want you to press on the text. I want you to press on these three little dots where you can go ahead and actually do that. But if you just go ahead here, press it, go to this top right to where it says, I think these three dots right here. Which one is it? Copy right here or duplicate? Go ahead and press duplicate just like that. Then all of a sudden you have a second copy that you can have of the exact same thing in regards to duplicating the text here. So you can go ahead and paste it right here just like that. It's actually not working. Command V, there you go. And you've now duplicated the exact text that you created just like this. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can duplicate text here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.